When was the last time you got a real, honest to goodness greeting card in the mail? Not an email, not a text with a cartoon balloon emoji, an actual card with actual handwriting on it. If you're struggling to remember, I'm the same, you're not alone. And here's the kicker. You can bring back today for free using an AI tool that a lot of folks think is just for writing emails. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to design your own beautiful vintage style greetings card using ChatGPT. The kind with soft watercolour roses, old-fashioned typewriter fonts, that warm faded postcard look. No design degree, no expensive software. No, I'm just not creative excuses, because I hear that one a lot and I don't believe it for a second. Hello and welcome. If you're new here, I'm Mike. I'm a 70-year-old senior. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It would be great to welcome you on board. Last time we talked about proofreading a memoir. Today we're doing something a little more fun. We're designing greetings cards. Birthdays, anniversaries, sympathy cards, just thinking of you cards, the works. And by the end, you'll have a card you actually want to print out and mail. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and just talk to it like a person. First thing, go to chatgpt.com or open the app if you've already got it on your phone. If you don't have an account yet, it takes about 2 minutes to set one up. And yes, the free version works just fine for this. I'm now opening ChatGPT. Now here's the part people get wrong. They think you need some special prompt code to talk to ChatGPT. You don't. You talk to it the same way you talk to a helpful shop clerk. Plain English, full sentences, that's it. So let's say you want a birthday card for your granddaughter. You might type something like, I want to design a vintage style birthday card. It should have a soft watercolour feel, pastel pink and gold colours. Maybe some roses or peonies in the corner, and space in the middle for a birthday message. See what I did there? I didn't say generate image style vintage palette pastel. I just described what I wanted, the way I'd describe it to a friend at the craft store. Step 2. Let ChatGPT create the image. Now here's something worth knowing. ChatGPT can actually create images for you, right inside the chat. You describe it, and a few seconds later, a picture shows up. Is it going to be perfect on the first try? Maybe, maybe not. And that's completely fine. Step 3, this is where the magic really happens, the back and forth. This is the part I want you to really pay attention to, because it's the difference between an okay card and a generally beautiful one. Once ChatGPT gives you an image, don't just settle for it. Talk back to it. Say things like, I love this, but can you make the roses a little smaller and add more gold trim around the edges? Or, can you make the background look more like old, aged paper, like a card from the 1950s? It's a conversation. Think of it like working with an illustrator who never gets tired, never rolls their eyes at you, and doesn't charge you by the hour. You can go back and forth 5, 6, 10 times if you want, tweaking a little each round until it looks exactly right. I actually tried this myself last week for my sister-in-law's birthday. First version, nice, but too modern looking. Kind of flat. I asked for More of a hand-painted antique postcard feel, slightly worn at edges. Next version, gorgeous. Look like something you'd find tucked in a drawer at your grandmother's house. Step 4, add your message. Once you've got the artwork the way you like it, you can ask ChatGPT to add text right onto the design. Happy birthday in an old-fashioned script font, for example. Or honestly, something it's easier and looks more personable, leave the inside blank and write your own message by hand. Your call. There's no wrong answer here. Step 5, save it and print it. Once you're happy with your card, save the image to your computer or phone. From there, you've got choices. Print it at home, if you've got a decent printer and some cardstock, or take it to a print shop or pharmacy photo counter. Most of them can print on cardstock for just a few dollars. Or upload it to a site like Vistaprint or Shutterfly and have professional cards mailed right to you. Either way, you now have a completely original, one-of-a-kind card, not something off a drugstore rack that 6 other people in town are also buying today. Here's a quick bonus tip. Once you've made one card, ask ChatGPT to create a matching set. Same style, different occasions. Birthday, thank you, get well soon, sympathy. Takes minutes and suddenly you've got a whole little collection. Some of you watching this are already thinking about giving these as gifts or even selling them. And hey, I'm not going to stop you. That's a smart idea. Engagement. Now let me ask you something. How many times have you stood in the greeting card aisle, spent $8 on a card and thought, hey, close enough? Be honest. That's what I love about this. You're not settling for close enough anymore. You're making exactly what you've pictured in your mind. And look, I know some of you are sitting there thinking, Mike, I've never designed anything in my life. Neither had I, really. That's the whole point. You're not the designer here. ChatGPT is designer. You're just the one with a good taste, telling it what looks right and what doesn't. Turns out that a skill you already have, you've had in your whole life. To recap, 1. Open ChatGPT and describe the card you want in plain language. 2. Let it generate the image. 3. And this is the big one, go back and forth, tweaking the details until it's just right. 4. Add your message. 5. Save it and print it at home or through a print shop. That's it, the whole thing. No design software, no expensive subscriptions, no waiting in line at the store. If you give this a try, I would genuinely love to see what you make. Please drop a comment below and tell me what you made a card for. Or better yet, describe the card, and I'll bet some other folks watching will try your idea too. And hey, if this saved you a trip to the store, please do me a favour, hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss video 4, where we're tackling something I know a lot of you have been asking about. Because here's the thing, that greeting card aisle at the drugstore, it's been getting away with charging us $8 for a piece of folded cardstock for way too long. Not anymore. Thank you so much for watching and happy vintage greeting card making. Bye for now.